So as you can see, I've created a drawing called Finger Joint, and it's in the top of the browser here. First thing I'm going to do is right click, new component. I'm going to call it side 1. I'm going to draw that component. I'm going to put it in this vertical plane here. I want to draw so this is 50 by 50. I actually want the side to be 100 by 50. So what I'm going to do is I've deliberately drawn it half size because I'm going to convert that into a construction line. You can see that's now gone. That's not a filled shape. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select that line. I want to do, because I'm using 3mm acrylic to make my thing, I need a 3mm thickness, so these fingers are going to be 3mm thick. So I do OK, and now I'm going to use a line command. Now, if it will only snap to the grid, obviously, on these points because this 3mm isn't on the grid. So I have to work from this side to get these regular. Like so, and then I'm going to trim, and it will go purple. We alternate. Like that. And now, because we want that to be the same at the other end, we can use a mirror command. We've selected all of those parts there. To select the mirror line there. Okay. I wonder. That's better. So we can only use the mirror line. If you saw that happen, we're happy with that. We do OK. And now we can finish the sketch, and we're going to extrude. Can you see that line there? That was an extra line, so we can actually just go back into that sketch. And we can trim off that little piece there, and it will correspondingly be on the other side. Finish the sketch. Easy done. And now we're going to extrude that there. 3mm, and that's okay. Cool. The next thing we're going to do is create a new component, or do click to create the new component here because it then becomes separate. I'll call this side 2. Okay, and I want side 2 sketch to be on that plane there. Move that up, and I'm going to go from there 50 and enter. Same as okay, no problem. I want that line the same to be a construction line, so I can mirror this. I'm going to then Sorry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish that sketch, and I'm going to extrude that -3 like that. Okay, now to get the finger joints in there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a combine, and I'm going to do a cut, and then the target body is this one. This is the one I want to cut, and the tool body is this, but I want to keep the tool, and that's the tool body like that. And then I do OK. Now, because that's the current piece, you can see it's cut those pieces out, and it's showing that there like that. If I go back up here, it'll show me both pieces. OK. Can turn that one on and off. And I can turn that one. If I move them apart like that, you can see those. And that's how you create a finger joint, by using the combine command. Okay.